Hi, I'm Cassie with Me Time, and this is a tutorial for the This Is Us Memory Tote from the Family Tree Bella box released in fall 2022. So firstly, we're going to introduce this amazing new blank. It is incredible and I'm so excited to share it with you today. Then we are going to do all of the prep work to make this project. Then we're going to show you how to hoop this project. It's a little different, but it's a lot of fun. Then we're going to do the stitch out. And lastly, we're going to show you how to finish the tote. This is the new folding storage tote, and it is made out of embroidery leather. On one side, it's just nice and blank, and on the other side, it has the Kimberbell logo embossed to show you which side is the inside and which side is the outside. The side with the embossment is the outside. Included in your box is a little piece of embroidery leather. This is for you to try all of your stitching on first to make sure your machine and your embroidery looks great. Included is this really great little file for you to stitch out and make sure everything's going to work well with your machine. Also included is a 70-10 needle, which is what we recommend when embroidering on embroidery leather. To prep our project, we're going to hoop wash away sticky back stabilizer, and I've already done that. And I've also done step number 1, which is this lovely centering line, which is what we're going to use to hoop our project. So what we're going to do is on this flap with the Kimberbell embossed side down, we are going to make a centering mark, which is going to coordinate with our hoop's centering mark. So we measure this, it is 9.5. So we're gonna do 4.75 centimeters. Okay, and then we're going to use this center and this center to match up and hoop our project. So we're going to use this point and this point we made and match them up together. And line up your tote right against that line. And then you just press to seal it to that sticky back. Once we have our tote floated on top of our stabilizer, we're going to put 2 layers of wash away topping. And this helps all of the stitching stay up above the tote and not sink down inside. So we're just gonna stick 1 centered there. And since it's sticky back, you can kind of just press and seal it. And then the next one you can set on top, and if you don't want it to move, just add a little tape. I like to add some to one side and then the other. That will help our stitching look nice. Then we have a lot of extra tote hanging off of our hoop. And so we're going to roll it up into a little cinnamon roll. And inside your Bella box, you were giving these Me Time slap bands. And you're just going to take them and slap them around to secure the tote. Easy as that. And now we're gonna stitch. All right, and it looks like this. After we're done with the stitching, all we have to do is remove that topping and it pulls away pretty good. But you can get this leather tote wet and rinse it off after. We'll just pull away the excess. And then the rest of that you can just wash away later. But we're gonna unhoop this. And pull our slat bands off. And then we'll cut away the stabilizer as much as we can, and then we'll rinse off the rest. After you've finished your project and taken it out of the hoop, you're going to simply take this flap and fold it over onto the other side. And about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch away, we're going to top stitch all the way around the edge to hold it down to finish out the tote. Now that we have it all top stitched beautifully, we're ready to fold the tote. So we're going to take one side and bring it into the middle. Then we're going to pull this side over and the other side and line up the little slats. Then you take this and go through the bottom slat, pull it up, and then go through the top slat and pull it nice and taut. Then we'll just do the other side. Same thing. Each side over, lining them up, feed it through the bottom, then bring it up to the top, feed it through, and pull it tight. And we have our tote. Now the fun thing is you get this cute "This Is Us" design, and then there's also a bonus design that says "Memories are made here." Both of them come included, but really if you start thinking about it, you could put a lot of fun things on these blanks and use them for a lot of different projects in your home. Thanks so much for joining me for this tutorial for the "This Is Us" memory tote from the Family Tree Bella Box Fall 2022. For more tutorials, follow us on our Facebook and YouTube pages. We will have tutorials from this Bella Box for the Good to Be Home wall decor and the Family Tree wall canvas. Now go enjoy some well-deserved me time.